guys, and today I'm so upset due to one incident. Yesterday, like my brother, he was saying about something, and that has made me upset. Like he was saying that, like my villager, like they all are saying that why she is doing study. In a last, she has to do household work, so why girl cannot do anything? Why this kind of hindrance and balance only girl have? If they are doing a study, so is there any problem? If they want to do something for her society, for her development of state, district, so is there any problem in this? She has also some desire. She also want to do something. She want to help the society. She want to develop the society, but society is not supporting her. Why you all are not supporting? Like our India, it has gotten independent, but only for male, not for female. Because this kind of criteria, like most of the people, they have this insect in their mind that girl cannot do anything. Because they have made for doing household work. So I want to ask one question to you all. If any girl, if any woman is doing household work, so that is not work. If it is easy, so do it. Let her let her take rest. Do it. If you do, then you will realize no, it is not a piece of cake to manage each and everything. But people cannot understand. I always motivate you all, but today I am feeling unmotivated. Because like how they are saying, I want to do enormous for my family member. I want to do something because my mother, she faced several problems, and right now she is facing. So I want to give her, I want to provide her one comfort life. I want to fulfill her desire. So for that I have to do arduous work. For that I have to do a study, because study is my weapon, and I have believed that I can change the mentality of the people by my exercise, by my study, and I have to prove it. Because I am only one who can change my mother's life, because she is in a tragic moment. But some incidents come in our life, and that make the success of our steer so difficult. Like yesterday I went for sleeping, but like I was trying to control my mind. I was trying, don't think you can do. Although my mind is thinking awful that no, you cannot do. You have no capability, because society, your community is not patronizing you. Then how you can do? But yeah, I can do, but my mind has stopped thinking. My mind is not giving idea. Please support me, and please tell me what is the solution of this problem. I am expressing my resolution at the front of you all, and please support me what I should do. Because do you know about Kalpana Chauhan? Like she grew up in male dominated society. She had no one, but although she did arduous work for her aim, and she did not compromise to her aim, and she created history about her life. But like I also want to do something. I have read about a lot of things, such as Iraq movement in Andhra Pradesh. Women, they did Iraq movement about like they did Iraq movement to prevent alcohol. Because in Andhra Pradesh, in the name of that district is Nellore, and this Nellore is in the Andhra Pradesh, so there people, male, they used to drink alcohol, and they used to come to their home and they used to beat their women, and they, like, all women faced several problems, so they created one Arak movement to prevent this alcoholism, and due to this, like, they successful, and after this news spread all over the state, and maximum 5,000 women they motivated and they supported them. But I know, like, I can do, but this incident, like, I can't do, because my society people are saying that you are girl, you should do a study, but you can't do anything. In a last, you have to do, like, household work. And one day in my class, one boy, he was saying, why you all are doing a study? You should not do a study, because in a last, what you have to do? You have to help your mother. You have to live at home. So this incident has made me so unconfident, and these incidents have made me so weak. I'm thinking that no, I can't do anything. I want to do something, but I don't know what to do, what to not do. My mind is not giving any, solution for this problem. So please support me and please tell me what I have to do, because I want to do really. I want to do something enormous. I want to, like, make my parent head prayed. My parent is not saying, but my society people are saying like this. I think in some area, in some village, all right now, women are facing several problems. They are living in male dominated society, male dominated community, where they have no freedom to do anything. If you want to eat, you have to ask for eating, but here is no any problem for this. But yeah, like, after listing this, that, like, girl cannot do anything after doing a study, they have to do only chores work. So this thing has made me so upset that what are they saying. So please support me. If you support me, so I can prove and I can tell them that no, girls are not weak, they can also do something. And if you support me, so I think I can help a lot of girls who are facing this problem in my village. So thanks a lot, and please tell me what I should do, because my mind is not giving any answer that